AutoExpress reports that Lexus has endorsed a convertible rendition of the LC, and is near green-lighting a superior LCF trim. The Detroit Bureau announced that a similar two models were being developed 1 year back, referring to Lexus sources at the Detroit Auto Show who told the outlet some of extra variations would take after the car's dispatch. The timetable's been extended a bit amongst at that point, and now, rather than getting the convertible this year, AutoExpress says the done arrangement drop-top ought to touch base in 1.5 to 2 years. It's harder to peruse what we may get in a LCF. Babble is that the normally suctioned, 467 torque, 5.0-liter V8 wouldn't be the correct engine for a hot LC. That V8 serves in bring-down level F models. So word is that Lexus engineers are thinking about a 4.0-liter, twin-turbo V8 with around 600 horsepower. Lexus picked the BMW 650i, Mercedes-Benz S-class Roadster, and Jaguar F-Type as contenders to the LC, all of which have convertibles and elite trims. Among the uniquely tuned challengers, the Jaguar F-Type R comes in with the most minimal power figure at 550 horsepower. The two models would return Lexus to a little, selective end of the market where it hasn't held an enrollment since 2010. Rejoining that soiree, a gathering facilitated by the Germans, in light of the fact that these issues dependably return to the Germans, is another gigantic, and exorbitant, advance toward shedding Lexus' lethargic picture. Akio Toyoda said the objective for his extravagant SARM was that the words Lexus and exhausting never show up in a similar sentence again. A 3 demonstrate lineup would give the LC a veritable opportunity to add to that point.